Maidan.
Lohiya is one of the greatest revolutionary leaders seen by our motherland, Bharat, and I am always an admirer of him. And I had occasion to go through his 10th volume, that great contribution book. Of course, we will have to circulate the message of Dr. Ramanur Lohiya in front of the new generation, and effective work should be done, because he was a patriot. After visiting Russia, he was a socialist. After visiting Russia, he decided that socialist concept is concerned, there is no democracy, because under such system, only one party system, no opposition, no different parties, and so that is why he disassociated himself from that movement, and democratic socialist concept introduced in India. And my father, when I was a child, he was a local leader of in my village, the Ramanur Lohiya's political party, ISP, Indian Socialist Party at that time. So in my mind, Dr. Ramanur Lohiya got the first place while I was a child as a national leader, a veteran people's leader. He always gave importance to people. People are supreme, that was his concept. And that is why in 1946 also, if you go through his speech, 6 places in his speech, he mentioned that unity of the India. For that purpose I am doing all this liberation and other things. And the liberation is a byproduct subsequent to that, very vigorously, and an ideal person. And unfortunately in 1968 or 67, he lost his life. I don't want to make any comment on that. In a table of a surgeon, prostrate simple operation, he lost his life. There was inquiry and other things. I don't want to go to that aspect. So in our constitution system and the democratic system, parliamentary democracy is concerned, he was the greatest contributor in his lifetime in India. And as far as language issue also, he always insisted upon our Indian languages and the Indian culture, Indian patriotism. And that is why he was one of the greatest scholars in English. His English was very beautiful, but he always insisted to speak in local language or Hindi, like that. Such a spirit of nationalism, spirit of patriotism, spirit of dedication to the cause of the people was the important thing, and that message should be propagated among the people and give more and more work among the new generation. Let them inculcate in their mind this great personality, veteran leader of India. I bow before him.
Thank you, sir.